Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to remove demo content from your WordPress theme, step by step, updated. If you've ever installed a theme and found your site filled with a random demo posts, pages, and images, don't worry, that's completely normal. But before you launch your website, it's super important to clean it all up so your site looks professional and truly yours. So let's dive right in. Log into WordPress first. Go to wordpress.com and log into your account. If you want to save time, you can just click on Continue with Google. It's quick, secure, and works perfectly in 2025. Once you're in, select the site where you want to remove the demo content. Delete demo posts. Now head over to the post section from your WordPress dashboard. You'll likely see sample posts like Hello World or Sample Post. Simply hover over the unwanted ones and click Trash. If you're unsure, open the post first to confirm its demo content. This will keep your blog clean and ready for your own articles. Remove demo pages. Next, go to Pages from the left-hand menu. Here, you might see placeholders like Sample Page, About Us, Demo, or Contact Demo. Select those demo pages and hit Move to Trash. This step ensures your navigation menu won't be cluttered with unnecessary pages. Clean the media library and comments. Let's move on to the media library. You'll probably notice some stock images or placeholder photos that came with the theme. Select them all and click Delete permanently. This helps free up storage and keeps things tidy. Then, go to the comments section. Delete any preloaded demo comments like a WordPress commenter or sample feedback. These are just examples that come with many themes. Removing them gives your site a clean start. Before wrapping up, double check everything. Go through your posts, pages, media, and comments once more to make sure you didn't accidentally delete something custom. Removing demo content not only makes your website look polished, but also improves user experience and helps your actual content stand out better in search results. And here's a quick tip. Make it a habit to review your site regularly. It helps prevent clutter and keeps your website running smoothly. And that's it. You've just learned how to remove demo content from your WordPress theme the right way. Now your website is clean, professional, and ready for your real content. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss my upcoming WordPress tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.